Thank you so much for participating in this. We really hope you enjoyed this experience. We can't wait to see you at OP!
I'll be showing you the basic clinical exam on a beagle. No, not on a beagle, on a dog. Praat ek te vinnig? Ek weet. Jy gaan nou sien, nou gaan ek herzakel. Oh, we are super excited to have seen. State-of-the-art skills lab. Here we can see our facilities that we use during our studies. Gebeur dit? Moet ek so stop?
I will be talking you through the basic behavioral characteristics.
And ultimately to help.
Hi, I am Lisa. Then I was going to pause after hi. What's wrong with you?
Guys, stop.
Kumara? Okay, I have an idea. Let's take all of them out.
Skeletons that we use during our studies. I know it looks a bit intimidating.
The facilities we will be showing you are the exotic no, that's wrong.
A bull for epidural. Damn it. Sorry. Daar's 'n queen hier, Bonnie. These are horse teeth. Sorry. These are horse model. Sorry. These are horse aging models. Here we
I did do my dance. You can stop. All right.
the stress. Thank you.
Nancy,